Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on the settings option. Now scroll down your screen and here you can see the profile locking option under audience and visibility. Click on it. As you can see that I had locked my account. So in order to unlock, I'll just have to click on the unlock icon and click on unlock your profile button. So that is how you can unlock your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.